So guys, I just filmed this whole entire thing and realized I had a piece of dry skin hanging off the side of my face. But because I want you to see what I did outside and what I did for my trash can, I'm just gonna ignore it and pretend like it's not there, just like all of us stay-at-home mamas do all the time, unless it's a day that somebody actually sees our face and we get dressed up and we go see other real people besides our little munchkins. So anyway, ignore the piece of dry skin on my face and have fun watching my palette do-it-yourself / free trash can cover up.
I'm gonna be taking this and turning it into this, a cover up for the trash can.
Guys, so today I'm just gonna take a couple different pallets that I found for free on the side of the road. They're not good pallets, really, they're in shambles. And I'm gonna take them and build a frame around my trash can, and I just wanna show you how I'm doing it.
These are nasty old ones, and I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna screw them together. Well, actually I did that, and I am screwing them together and just putting a frame around my trash can, and then I plan to paint it and make it kind of flush, make it kind of pretty, and you'll see what it turns out to. What it turns into, I don't know. Kids were running around. So I'm just gonna take it and turn it into something pretty, and we'll see what happens. I'm just taking whatever bit was on my husband's DeWalt. This is a compact drill, and I just am looking for random screws. I needed these Allen wrenches the other day. And I'm just putting them together, and we'll see what happens. I'll slap some paint on it later, and ta-da, something will happen. We'll see. Epic fail or good project, one of the two.
So I'm just gonna take some spray paint that I have laying around. This is the cheapest spray paint I think I can ever find. And honestly, I don't even remember where it came from. Probably cheap brand Walmart or Home Depot or something. I'm gonna take this, just slap a little bit on and see how it turns out.
Can you help me a little bit?
This is something I was gonna use for a different project. It didn't happen, so I'm taking the handles off, and then I'm putting them, I'm actually screwing them in from, where'd it go? Right here. Screwing them in from the inside. You know, it's got a screw in a handle on those old drawers. And I'm gonna put them on the outside so that I can hang just hang bags if I need extra bags of dirty diapers or dog crap or whatever it is that I'm picking up. And I can just hang them on the outside, and they don't have to necessarily go in the trash can if the trash can is completely full.
So you guys can see, I took the knob off. I'm just coming from the inside, and I'm picking a place to screw in. Screw in until you barely see it through the pallet. And then you screw it in, and I'll be able to put whatever I want, decorations or yard tools or bags that don't fit in the trash can. Okay, so from the inside, that looks like just picking a place, putting the screw in right. Rylan, stop, I don't want to hear it right now. Stop tattletaling on your brother. Yes, you are. Put the screw in, and then boom, bada bing, it's done. And then all you gotta do is just come out there and check it out. That's definitely like free stuff all the way around. Just stuff I picked up off the side of the road, minus the screws that I had laying around, which are old recycled screws anyway. Okay, so that's it. I just did a little bit of paint, a little bit of, what do we call those, handles. And then I'm gonna take this trash can, y'all see all the scrap wood behind me. Move it in here, and then when you're looking at my house from the road, minus the scrap wood, we have to do something with that. When you're looking at it, the trash can's covered. And also, it's mostly covered if you're looking at it from my neighbor's house. So, you guys see I put a couple handles on there. Maybe I'll hang some cute signs, or maybe I'll just use that, like I said, probably cute signs on the front. And then, most likely, on the back,
I will put, like I said, extra bags, you know, dirty diapers or something like that. Maybe I should have spaced those out a little bit. They look a little wonky, but it's the backside, so who cares, right? So that's it. Free pallets on the side of the road, free handles off of free drawers that I found on the side of the road. That can of spray paint, I'm pretty certain, is less than $1, and I use recycled screws that we've taken out of old projects and were rusty or whatever. So I will show you once I start hanging stuff here in a second, I guess. But I gotta take a break from filming because kiddos need to be cleaned up and napped. It's sunny out here. So I'm gonna show you guys what I was gonna use these hooks for. My husband would probably tell me that it would look tacky, but considering it's the back side, which I don't want people to see, and it's practical if my trash can was full, basically I was just planning on putting these guys right here. These are diapers. You guys with young kids know that used diapers get used a lot. And so if there was not spot in my trash can, it would just, you know, instead of my trash can being up and bulky and looking like total crap, it's just a place that can be hidden. And then once trash day comes out, I can take the trash out there, pile it all on top, and it will be perfectly fine. So anyway, that's that. That's just the project I came up with today. Those pallets and those drawers have been laying out there for like a really long time now. So finally something got done. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to Training Up Thomas, guys. I really appreciate it. Hopefully that's not a whole bunch of nothing. Maybe it'll inspire you to take some scrap stuff laying around the house and do something fun with it. You never know what you can come up with. So until next time, talk to you later, guys. Bye. I actually felt it necessary to add in that I'm now in my dining room sneaking leftover chocolate and some Zevia into my mouth while my kids watch cartoons on the couch. So I'm gonna eat these as fast as I can before somebody else finds out that I'm eating them, and then I'll see you next time. Bye.
Eat.
Eat what? What?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
How'd you know? You don't know? Hey, don't tell Rai. Say bye.